Let's create your first connection in Exalate and sync between two systems. From your workspace, click Add Connections, then create New Connection. For System A, give it a name, paste the URL, Exalate detects the platform. Add credentials, check authentication, and continue. Repeat for System B. Now name the connection, review the summary, and click Create Connection. Watch it come together, and you're ready to configure. Choose the projects you want to connect, then build and continue. You can edit and configure further, or keep it simple and choose Quick Sync. This publishes a starter config and takes you straight to your first sync validation. In Item Sync Monitor, paste an item key and click Sync Now. Exalate replicates it and creates the matching item on the other side. Then you can open it and preview the results. Next up, we'll cover versioning, fine-tuning rules, setting triggers, and running a safe test run before publishing. See you in the next video.